Hello, this video is designed to help you navigate your way through this online course. First thing, you should have already watched the Meet Your Instructor video. In this video, you received information on the course, about your instructor, and tips to be successful in this course. As we scroll down, here's your syllabus, your course syllabus. Click this link and review the course syllabus. As we scroll down even further, we have assignments categorized by week. Note, at the end of every week, you will have a quiz that's due and your guided notes will be due. Both of these assignments will be due by 11:59 p.m. the Sunday of that week. The only exception to this will be week 7. On week 7, there will be no quiz, but the notes will still be due by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. There will be a proctored final that Monday, August 20th. Now, let's go to the course assignments. Each week, you'll have a different folder that will pop up. So for example, since we're in week 1 will pop up. When we're in week 2, week 2's folder will pop up. When you click week 1, it gives you a checklist so you can make sure you complete every item that is due that week. Now, I mentioned instructional videos and guided notes earlier. Here's all the instructional videos for week 1. So when you click this, you'll have access to 4.1 video and the 4.2 video. Next thing, the guided notes. Every week, you will have to scan your guided notes and send them to me by 11:59 p.m. Sunday of that week. So for example, this week, you would have to scan 4.1 and 4.2 and send them back to me by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. If you click the guided notes, here are the guided notes. So each of these guided notes will be notes that come from my lecture, and there'll be gaps in the notes. As you watch my notes, as you watch my lectures, you will then fill in the notes and then send those notes back to me. Next, my math lab. All homework is done on my math lab. The way you access the homework is once you click my math lab, this screen pops up. You then click assignments, and then all of the assignments for the entire course will pop up. You may work on these assignments at your own pace. I suggest you stay within the week. You do the assignments within the week that we're in. So for example, this first week, the only assignments that are due are from section 4.1 and section 4.2. I hope this video helps you to navigate your way through this course, and hope that answered any questions you might have. Thank you.